Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove background noise from microphone on Windows. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Right-click select Show Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select Microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Levels, Microphone change to Maximum. Change to plus 10 dB, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Realtek Audio Console in Windows search bar, click Realtek Audio Console. Select Microphone, turn off noise suppression under Microphone Effects. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.